Hi everyone! So we are back. Parang vlogger lang. Anyway, this is the continuation of our topic for basics of function, and this time we're going to discuss function notation. So once the relation is classified as a function, then we can proceed now with following the function notation. So ito nakikita ninyo, this one is the output, okay? So name of function. So, this is how it is written. So, name of function, itong F na to, this is the abbreviation of function. Parang ano lang siya. Ah, yung input naman, yan yung nandun sa, yan yung X. Okay? So, yan yung input. So, itong buong ito, or F of X, that's how you call it, ito yung magiging symbol ni output. Okay? So, whenever you look for the output, dapat f of x yung isusulat ninyo. So, let's have an example. So, like this one, this is read as f of x. Okay? Equals 3x or 3 times x minus 4. Here, yung independent natin na variable is the x kasi input siya. So, any given real number to. Unlike if you're looking for, since we're looking for the output or the f of x, dependent siya. So, kasi nga, syempre, nakadepende yung output mo dun sa input mo. Like this one. So, how can we get the output or the f of x? Okay? So, nakadepende siya doon sa kung ano yung magiging input mo, which is the x. Ano ba yung x na yan? Para lang makuha mo yung sagot. So, here, an example would be the 5. Would be number 5. So, 5 is the input. Okay? Again, which is an independent one. So, nakadepende sa kanya kung ano yung maging result. Yun yung f of x. So, here in the example, the f of x is 11. And yung isa naman, negative 2, the independent variable, okay, ang output niya is negative 10, which is the f of negative 2 is negative 10. Now, let's have another example. Ayan. So, there are 4 examples. Okay? And then, let's try to evaluate. Okay. So, number 1, or the first example. So, you have here the, or you have here f of x equals 2x to the third power minus 3x squared plus 6. And the given or the input is negative 1. So, si negative 1, substitute natin kay x, you will have this kind of equation. Then, we solve. Okay? So, pag na-solve natin, this is what we get. So, f of negative 1, we get 1. Next, for g of x. Okay? So, the input is 4. So, we substitute x which is with 4 kasi yun yung input niya. Then, we get the output of 14. Now, let's try another one. Okay, this time, ayan, may dalawang given na input. Okay. So, for this kind of example, what we do is we first solve yung unang input. Okay, so we substitute it. Okay, so 3. Then we get, the f of 3 is 7. Then we solve the second one, the 1 input. Okay? So, f of 1 times 2 or equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So, you get the 3 output. Now, once we have the output for f of 3 and for f of 1, we proceed with solving the negative 4 times f of 3 minus f of 1. So, we do the substitution. So, 7 minus 3, then we multiply it, then we get the negative 16. Alright? Nakuha yung paano siya isolve. Okay, let's have another example. Ito naman, dalawa naman yung kanyang binigay na input. So, we have the 2k and we have the x plus 1. So, let's start first with 2k. So, dito sa 2k, ayan. So, i-substitute lang natin siya. Then, after that, okay, we get the answer of f2k. F of 2k is 2k squared minus 6k plus 6. So, this is now your answer. For the other one, yung x plus 1 naman, so we do the substitution, and then we get the answer of f of x plus 1 is 2x squared plus x plus 5. Okay?